Um, I'm his Rasika in the film. And of course, I'm working with Kabir for the first time.
That's right. So there are many, many firsts. How has it been playing, Rasika? It's a character which has a lot of layers, and
Yeah,
she's
it's a
pretty
special
pure.
character. We've tried to keep it as real and very unlike, I think, a typical Hindi film heroine, because as you know, Kabir is very, very real as a director. I mean, if you try to wear extra jewelry or a little more accessories, he's like, you're too overdressed for the scene. So I think that we've tried to keep it as real, and I'm really happy and excited about the entire film and to be part of the entire film.
Great. There's a whole lot of fan base out there which is just waiting for the trailer to come out so they can see your look in the film and what you're doing in the film, and they finally got to see it. Kabir, a little bit of an introduction to क्यों हंस रहे हैं यार लोग मेरे पे? This is ridiculous. मैं दोबारा नहीं करूँगी ये. मैं कभी भी पूछती हूँ उनसे कुछ, अब हंसते हैं. Um, कबीर, इससे पहले कि मैं बाकी थोड़ी serious questions पूछूं, आप why don't you tell everyone about I've often heard Kabir say at home that Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the kind of cinema that he's always wanted to make. It's his true expression of a filmmaker. I know it's true, but can you tell them how?
I mean, there are lots of reasons for it. One is, of course, it's an incredibly warm story about human relationships, but it's set against a very larger than life backdrop. And that's the kind of cinema I've always wanted to, that's the kind of cinema I like watching and I obviously love making, where there's a nice, intimate, warm human relationship story, but set against this very energetic backdrop. And it's also the issue, the politics of the film, the way people behave is something that is very close to my heart and very close to Salman's heart. And that's the reason why I think Bajrangi is the kind of film that we really are really excited to make.
Salman, ये सब जानते हैं that you are not, I mean, one just saw in the trailer that there are multiple locations and there are deserts and there are mountains and there are rivers and there's like every possible topographical change in the film. ये सब जानते हैं कि आप you like to shoot around,
Karjat.
Bombay, Karjat,
मैं वो
Panvel.
studio Panvel Karjat. But he likes to shoot all over the world.
तो आप फंस गए basically.
पिछली बार दुनिया के हर कोने के अंदर लेके गए थे. पहले ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हुआ करते थे ना, तो इनको ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है. अब इस फिल्म में क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि इंडिया बेस्ड फिल्म है एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक फिल्म मेकर, तो इन्होंने हमको पूरा देश दिखाया इस बार. पूरा पूरा देश दिखाया, और देश के भी मतलब कि एकदम अंदर 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 लेके गए हम. It was a great experience.
You did it, and you did it so like आप पहाड़ भी चढ़े, आप नदी में भी कूदे, and you walk through desert. So आपकी क्या मतलब, what were you thinking
मेरा
inside?
कार्डियो
गालियाँ दे रहे थे?
मेरा कार्डियो अच्छा हो गया.
Right. What has been the process of going through, the character of Pawan is very close to you, जैसे कि कबीर ने कहा. It's very similar to what you are in real life. Did you, आपकी कोई internal
I
discoveries भी
think
हुई as the film?
जब हमने फर्स्ट टाइम ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी, तो एक वो ग्रीड आता है ना कि ये फिल्म किसी और के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. That is such a beautiful story told. कि I don't think that anyone would have been able to tell the story better than Kabir and me.
चलिए.
So for you guys, I mean, कोई और बना लेता, बकवास बनती पिक्चर, चलती पिक्चर. लेकिन we thought के एक एहसान कर देते हैं, कि इस फिल्म को इतनी अच्छी बनाते हैं कि ये फिल्म अब चलना ना चलना वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में, लेकिन we've given this film our best because we totally believe in this film. ये प्यार मोहब्बत की फिल्म है, सिंपल लोगों की कहानी है, और एक लार्जर देन लाइफ के बैकग्राउंड में सेट है. मुझे तो ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि हम लोग सिर्फ एडिटिंग रूम में फिल्म देखते हैं या ओनली व्हेन यू डबिंग, बट जब इस फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं, तो बार बार ये नरेशन सुनाई दे रहा था मुझे. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट, एंड एवरी टाइम देयर वाज अ शॉट आई वाज नॉर्मल, sound, camera, action, and in the emotional moments, tears used to come out. So usually, I mean, I'm talking about me, मैं बड़ी ठोक पीट के काम करता हूँ. emotion scene में, not to feel that emotion, to put glycerine and to make it work. It looks okay on screen, so itni mehnat kyun karo? But in this film, I didn't even have to do that. I used to turn around in a shot, and there were tears flowing down my cheeks. And action में गुस्सा आता था, comedy में हंसी आती थी, romance में बस romance का ही problem था बस.
We won't ask.
Romance में अली आते थे, सैफ अली आते थे.
Karina, we won't ask you to comment on that one. I think Karina can make her chemistry work with anybody pretty much because they really look really hot in the film. नवाज, आपकी ये सलमान के साथ दूसरी फिल्म है, कबीर के साथ भी दूसरी फिल्म है, आपने न्यूयॉर्क में भी एक किरदार निभाया था. How was it working with the Salman Khan in this film, where you're not really like, playing the other guy,
एक्चुअली किक में तो ज़्यादा क्योंकि बॉम्बे में शूट हो रहा था तो आउटडोर पे जब जाते हैं तो बहुत बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है, तो एक दूसरे के बारे में काफ़ी जानने लगते हैं. तो जैसे मंडावा से शुरू हुआ, जयपुर के पास में है मंडावा जहाँ से हमने शूटिंग शुरू की, और वहाँ से फिर कश्मीर तक शूटिंग करते गए. तो बहुत मज़ेदार जर्नी थी एक तरह से अगर देखा जाए तो. वो स्क्रीन पे भी पता चलता है. वो जब आप आउटडोर का एक फ़ायदा होता है कि जैसे जैसे आप टाइम निकलता जाता है और ऐसे बॉन्डिंग बनती जाती है आपकी, और वो केमिस्ट्री फिर स्क्रीन पे भी दिखती है. इट वाज फन एक्चुअली टू
what
वर्किंग.
kind of a
वो
co-star
डिपेंड
Salman?
करता है किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो. ये इसका नेगेटिव भी होता है, जैसे जैसे काम करते जाते हो वैसे वैसे और मुश्किल होते जाता है.
उसके लिए भी बढ़ते चली जाती है.
वो आपकी तीसरी फिल्म में देख लेंगे फिर. But I just like to, turn the mic around to Venkatesh. Firstly, Rockline isn't your real name, is it?
Yes, Rockline Venkatesh.
It's a very cool name. I just want to tell you that.
Thank you very much.
How has it been, your association with Salman Khan Films? You're one of the co-producers, and what do you want to say to the press about the association?
I'm very happy to be a part of this movie. And really, it's a miracle. It's a miracle to me. Being a co-producer for Salman Khan's film and Kabir Khan's